All right, this is Computer Science 2020. As of right now, it's just Noni that's in this class. Here's your course syllabus. Make sure you go through it. It's similar in design to what it was for digital apps last year. Discussions, assignments, quizzes, projects. There is a textbook for this class, but I have an extra one I'm waiting to get back from a student. And as soon as I get that back, we'll schedule a way for you to pick it up. But until that happens, we're going to start with code.org, and we're going to create an app instead of a game. So we're moving on to Unit 5 and 6, and we'll kind of move through this at your pace. So this is this Unit 4, 5, and 6 here. Don't worry about that due date. I didn't get that deleted out of there. And then out of the textbook that we have, there will be reading a chapter and answering some questions, and then we move into Raptor. It's a free download that you'll be able to put on your computer. I may have to have it sent out to you. You may have to figure out a time where you can come in. I can have James help you get Raptor installed on your computer so that you can write the codes through Raptor, and it's in the book, and that's your confusing part, is just getting started with that stuff in Raptor, but we won't need to do that till closer to the end of this first 9 weeks. So we're going to work on the app creation the first 9 weeks, and then hopefully by the time we get to the textbook, that we will be back in school and you'll be here, and we can interact, and I can give you some resources of other students who had class last year. Raina Sherman would be a good resource if you know her. She was really good at it. And a couple other kids that might be able to help you. So today's assignment is just looking at the module. Join code.org. It's different sections. So if you remember your login, you can use it, and then just put in the course code, and then send me what your username is, and then take the attendance quiz, and that's it for today. It's just go through the syllabus, look at, make sure you join the code.org class, and then I'll have a new message tomorrow about which unit. I only assigned one, so I think it's Unit 4 is what we're going to start with, and then we'll go from there. So any questions, email me. We're going to require one Zoom meeting, at least one Zoom meeting a week. I'll schedule a couple different times. We'll figure out what's best for both of us, and that will be counted as your discussion grade. And if there's time that you need to come in, we can schedule that. And we're allowed to meet with small groups, up to 5 students at a time that we can meet with if something comes up. Other than that, most of the stuff we can take care of through a Zoom meeting, and I can show you on my screen how to do different things and things like that. So look forward to having a good year.